Guys, this user stole my cat video. This is Bromley Kojo. I'll show you my real video. Little kitty. Here, this is the real video that I make it, but this one, his name Sup Me Now Fuckers. This guy, he did stole my video. Yeah, I will nuke your stupid country joke. This one is being copyright. You know what? I can report this one, but I don't care. I don't care for everything. Wait. Okay, reported. Right, great. Oh, great. Okay, deleted. You have a 24 hours. You know why 24 hours? Like copyright is coming. In 7 days, it's coming. 7 days copyright is coming enter. He's just copyright my video. And this like my cat video. Oh, the Hindu girl. Thanks a lot for valuable comment. Now, okay, I don't know much English. So I love India because India and Egypt are the best. But Bromley, she loves Egypt because of Giza. You know Giza, what means in Arabic? Ahramat. And my country is very old. My country is old because I don't speak Arabic. من كل أيام الفراعنة زمان قوي. أيام الفراعنة. Okay? So So guys, somebody stole my video and I don't care about it. So guys, go report it and don't forget to subscribe. And the Bromley stole my video. This is Bromley Kojo. Kojo stole my video. I promise guys, I'm not lying. How I did know that is he. Sup me fuckers. He doing this one. Sup me fuckers. He Kojo doing this. 2. Stealing video. This is Kojo. Shut the fuck up. He's still copywriting any video. He's copywriting every video. Let him copyright his videos. He will get terminated again. For little kitty. You know why this is cordial? Fuck you, Keith. Yeah, I knew it. That was he. So guys, comment down below. So bye.